Hey guys, today we are going to learn about the Seven of Cups. Okay? What do you see? What do you think? What do you feel? Alright? Seven of Cups is commitment, issues, many choices. Alright? Guys, subscribe, like, share, comment. And I've decided to for the next 2 weeks, whoever subscribe, share, and like, and if you're already subscribed, you already passed that part. But remember, notification bell, so you get notified. For the next 2 weeks, I'm going to give a free deck too. Okay? So remember, when you subscribe, share, like, oh, I forgot, comment. Share, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment. Sorry. I don't even know what I'm saying myself. I might have to write it down, huh? But on each video that you see for the next 2 weeks on the Learn Tarot, whoever subscribe, like, and comment, I'm going to give you a free deck. Alright? The very first person. So let me know. Anyway, guys, even if you don't, you already get a free reading. All you have to do is go to my store. There's a free reading up there. And just go ahead and send me well, it'll already have everything on there when you go. Alright? If you get a free deck here. My free readings are constant. It's on love, money, career. You get 3 cards. But for my subscribers, I will give you a 15, 20-minute reading on money, love, or career. Okay? Just go in my store, purchase the free reading, and that's what my subscribers are going to get. Alright? But in the comments, let me know what you think. Alright? Let me know what you think. Because I want to help out as much as I possibly can. That's why I'm doing it. And ideas run in my head constantly. So, one more time. And I'll put it in the comments too, in case somebody got confused, because I don't blame you. I just confused myself. But subscribe, like, comment. The first one to comment, the first comment I get, and they subscribed and they hit the like button, then I will give a free deck too for the next 2 weeks. Alright? On each Learn Tarot. Okay? So the first one to hit first one. You don't have to hit every tarot, Learn Tarot. Just the one, each day. Each day, first one to comment, like, and subscribe, get a free deck. Alright, for the next 2 weeks I'm going to do this, okay? for the next 2 weeks. Alright? I put it in the description. But back to the Seven of Cups. It's commitment, issues, many choices. Write it down in your journal. Alright? See it. Think it. What do you think? What do you see? What do you feel? Alright? Alright, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Love you. Bye.